Gifts are always welcome. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब gifts आते हैं, and especially if they are from your fans who appreciate your work. So it's their way of expressing कि we are there for you, and we accept you who you are. So I think that's what matters to me the most. So thank you so much, Meera, Mahesa, Banga, Defi, and Devi Ayu. Thank you so much. Oh, Nanny Poco Pants. Cushions. Heavy merchandise. I think have to be. I think it's something very fragile. Gun, ऐसा from Bali. Should I open this first? रखा हुआ नहीं है. Okay. We unveil the first gift, and let's see what's in there. Some personalized Vishal V Indonesia. This goes with this. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is सबसे पहले आपने विश किया है, and this is Defi TT_16. Thank you so much. The Instagram handle says so. Defi Yanti Abdul. Thank you so much. और ये एक वो I think I'm gonna wear this. Damn, I love Vishal Vashisht. Damn. Thanks, bro. That's so sweet. This. Are you supposed to wear it? I hope I don't make a fool out of myself. Okay, there's some manual I'm looking for. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. That's very smart of you that you have actually given me a photo of how it is worn. But I hope it's not something auspicious, some kind of dignitary. I think it's going to be more like this. Yeah, I think I managed to wear it. Something like this. I hope it's something like this. If not, you can message me, tag me. So I will correct. Thank you so much. This is something I would really appreciate. Some souvenir from Indonesia finally. Not finally, actually. I think I've visited Indonesia already. If I tell someone that I visited, because he'll believe me also, because I have so many souvenirs from there. Oh, sorry. Happy birthday, Vishal. Much love from Indonesia. Banga Yellow 46_. Thank you so much. car rest actually. Thank you, thank you. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Big hero, no? Yeah, this is a big hero. Yeah. I'm Baymax. Oh man, he's damn cool, yeah. Nice. What else do we have here? What are these? Okay. Some this fix this. Don't worry, I'll get it fixed, but this is really nice. Showpiece. Oh, I got these are the pen stands. Thank you so much. These are assembled wala item. Oh yes. This is from Krishna. I think ये कोई note है अच्छा, so I'll keep this. Keep this here. Bhagavad Gita, as it is. I hope it has got the translations. Actually, I'm very curious because I was actually planning to study some Maitho. Thank you so much. Yes, it has got the translations. Yes. All right. So here we are done with the first batch. Thank you so much, guys. It was lovely. Oh, there's one more from Gang Isa and Meera from Bali. Thank you. I think it's a little mess. Sorry guys, I think. Oh, these are some certificates. I'll definitely show these to my teachers. You didn't give me in school, I got from all over the world. It's completely broken. It's okay. But it can be done. I'll get it framed. That's not a problem. From Padmaja Chautia. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. If not, please forgive me. From USA. Thank you so much. Is this my first gift from USA? I think. Is it? Happy birthday. So now I think I have done something in the year 2016. Made fans in USA. I've got 2 caps now. Good. This is nice. This is nice. Leather jacket, which looks really good. Thank you so much. I'll be using it soon. Thank you. There's a letter. Sorry, I didn't get the name. What was the name? Padmaja. Thank you, Padmaja. I will definitely read the letter when I'm alone in private. Don't worry. Getting someone lift is all about. She said that I have lifted a lot of girls in these 3 years. So Achha, coming soon also they want these kind of things to happen to me. A girl, her legs around my waist, a kid on my shoulder, and a girl upside down on my back. What kind of fetishes are these? Well, I hope I'll be working in future, and I hope my makers will think about these. I'll keep this wherever I go for the next audition. Actually, if you have something like this, I'm doing your show. Otherwise, I'm not in. Good. Oh, this looks good. Oh, Daddy. Happy birthday, what is Daddy alive? Oh no. Please don't call me Daddy. I feel so bad. But thanks, this is cute. Smita Thakur. Okay. अरे स्मिता ठाकुर मतलब मैंने खुले आम मतलब एकदम सामने sorry from Dila from Indonesia. Thank you so much. देखते हैं आपने हमारे लिए क्या भेजा है. Oh, it's nice. It looks like a Tantra t-shirt. Is it a Tantra t-shirt? Kind of. Nice. It's good. This is a small note. That's really nice, yes. Small, very cute. Thank you. Murfadila. Thank you from Indonesia. This is the manual for me to use in the bag. Walaikum assalam. Thank you so much. I'll keep the manual. I hope I can use your expectations. from Yulia Vayuning Putri. Yulia Vayuning Putri. I hope you're not getting offended because I'm not able to pronounce the names. Please forgive me. So like just open random stuff from each box. I'm turning 25. She's getting married? Is she that old? Where is Khushi from? Philippines, no? Yeah. I thought she's eligible for marriage now. This is, I don't know, this is like Star Wars mix of Iron Man. Welcome to the dark side. Band Earth. And Iron Man. That's nice. This comes from Uma Bawa from New Delhi. Chocolates. Whenever you will hear these soft whispery sounds, it will gently remind you love from fans around. These are the treasure hunts. Go crazy because it's your birthday. Is that alcohol? And more chocolates. There's my Santa Claus bag. Happy birthday. Because you are worth writing down. I think it's a diary. Yeah, it is a diary. I told you it's something to do with alcohol, didn't I? I told you. People can only go crazy with alcohol. I don't know, that's what people's perception about me. Good. Thank you, I'll definitely go crazy. This stay true, stay you, always. Good message, thank you so much. Yeah. From Shalini, Kolkata. Thank you so much, Shalini. Damn nice. One of the candid shoots we had at our place, and all of you must have seen this pic. Picture courtesy was Sachin Kumar. He's a very good photographer. I think I should talk to him now again. It's been long. Okay. Gaddi bhai, Gaddi. Gaddi is good. This really sounds. It's a feng shui. Nice, thank you. This is from the gang. Khushi, Smita, Namrata, Mohini, Bidushi, Dhruvi and Ankita. Thank you so much. This is the recent photo. This, by the way, was in Cannes. Oh. This is intense. Too many lookers will spoil the looking, too many fishermen spoil the fishing, but there are never too many wishes to spoil the wishing. Thank you so much. I think this goes well with the gang because they come in a package. They don't come alone. Sometimes they do. But yes, very true. Thank you so much. How to go about opening them. Paytm karo. What's a dream catcher? Nice. Nobody's ever given me a dream catcher before. Side of your fans. This will be interesting. Whoa. Are you serious? Vishal's sexiest feature, Namrata. Come on. His nose. People make fun of my nose. Oh, Khushi, congratulations. Congratulations. You're getting married, and I hope you have an amazing wedding and you live happily ever after. Thank you so much for the gift also. It's good, no? But she can tell me. We have been together for the past 3 years. Come on. You can tell me you're getting married, yaar. I have to know this news. I'll read it. I'll get to know a lot of naughty facts. Happy birthday, Vishal. Like the majority of us are to say, all the best. Never let the sparkling fame change you as a person. God bless. Wow. Rapper Maddie. His message, wow, very nice, so sweet.
What's really wanted to send you a new message, and he kept on bugging us. You ही बनाओ, मुझे what the hell? हमारा gift ही है.
That's so sweet. I think the best part is that Wasim sir has left me a message, and I think this I will definitely remember in my days to come, and because he actually spoke to me. We not. It's good. I like the logo. Cute. Thank you. Mason jars. Mason jars के बीच में कुछ चिट्स हैं यहाँ पे. Lovely notes हैं. Happiness Jan. Read one with one note. Never let success get failure. This week. Oh, cufflinks. Bewakoof. Oh, Batman. Batman t-shirt. This was the revamped Sagar. This one, the revamped Sagar. The revamp of the revamped Sagar. Sagar and Krishna Jodi, and then it's a too old picture. This one. Oh, are you serious? You sketched this? Oh wow, I think this is lovely. This is actually lovely. Hair looks original है, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है actually बाल चिपकाया है इसने. नहीं है, पूरा है, full photo है इसका. अच्छा अच्छा, okay okay okay. Oh man, you got it apt. Amazing. Hope I can do something for someone one day. very low. Do not disturb while I'm sleeping. अंदर कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है. Yes, to not. यार ये बोल लेती है क्या बात कर रहा है? You can speak. You have to मतलब. Oh यार ये बहुत बहुत अच्छा है यार. This box is very nice. This is lovely. क्या box है यार? Fan हो गया. ऐसे कि first time मिले हैं. ओह मैन यार ये फोटो मुझे आज तक किसी ने दी थी जबकि ये मेरे लाइफ का बहुत ही खास मोमेंट था. I remember I was waiting for him and the organizers were like, after my life, get ready, he's coming, don't. Everybody, the whole team was after my life, ki, don't worry, they were trying to calm me down. Ki, just relax, okay, you don't have to worry so much, don't get hyper. And I was sweating, it was hot, I was wearing this suit, I was sweating, and then this Ramir Khan and his better half, they were both there, and this was my first hosting event on a platform like Star Parivar Awards, so I was very new, I was very excited. It was lovely, but meeting him, lovely. Now I have a memory of it. Thank you so much, guys. Another beautiful memory, thank you. And another one, called this, I'm dancing with 4 Russian girls. That's how cool I am. My god, nice. These are the most unexpected snippets I've had ever. Sorry. These I have not seen. Times of India, Kolkata boy, Vishal play Bandi. Nice, thank you so much. And I'll say I love the box. Just love it. I'm guessing this is Glenlivet, 15 years, single malt. No? आप लोग सोचते हो ना कितना बड़ा दारू बाजू. How much do I drink? I don't drink that much. I just have this fetish of talking in terms of alcohol. Another lovely case. Very, very nice case. Watch case. Nice. Very nice watch case. So you guys are telling me to like buy watches, 5 expensive watches. That'll cost me. Okay. What is this? Oh man, it's a long time, right? These are photos from when? Wow. You have really captured my timeline. Thank you so much. I will put it up in my house. This is good. ये खोलते हैं. I think we'll be done now. Shefali, Anjali, Charan, Smita, and not you. Smita, Swagate. Shingute. Oh, Shingute, yeah. The H and I are, sorry. Makes it look like a W. Thank you, everyone. I'll accept this. I'm just waiting for them to like enlarge. That I can ride them on the road. I've kept them in preservation, so yeah, thank you so much. Born homie. Oh. Born homie, huh? It's a very nice black and white font they have given. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. Born homie. I love the title, man. Oh, this piece has been written by a 7-year-old. She's a 7-year-old sister of Smita Shingote. 7-year-old, she doesn't know you, but she knows her. Thank you so much, little sis. Thanks, this means a lot. Very nice. Oh man, these are my school days. Some pictures are very controversial out here. Some equations have changed in my friends' group. Not with me, but some others. Milestones. I haven't had much on me. Wow. Thank you so much. This is lovely. I love all the gifts. As always, you guys are very creative when it comes to gifts. Now, how do you even imagine those lights with these small pictures, and these milestones and these boxes? I mean, you successfully capture what I have done. I think it brings me back from where I started, and that's what is most important for me to remember. If I have to move ahead in life, I have to remember from where I started from. So, thank you so much for reminding me from where I come, and thank you so much for being there with me in my journey. And I hope you stick with me all along.
They were chasing because they were like you are the camp and Vishal जहाँ तक हम बोले जाते हैं नहीं रहेगा. So please इतने सारे gifts हैं तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are planning और जब उन्हें पता चला तब तब से वो लोगों ने gift मतलब start कर दिया. So what do you want to say about that?
Well, there's nothing to be disheartened that the show is revamping. I think the shows revamp. They need to move on, and so do the characters need to move on. And on a very personal level, as Vishal, Vashisht, for that matter, any other actor in our show, they have to also see their own perspective. They have to also see their own field they want to work in, what kind of work they want to do, and the show, we have given everything, we have put in our efforts in the show, and it has done well because of you guys, because of you have seen the show, watched it, enjoyed it, appreciated it, and now it's time for us to move on. And I hope the makers will give you, and I'm sure the makers will give you a better work, better show, and you will thoroughly enjoy Ganga. And we are always there to come back with a new project and entertain you.